Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. And have the permission from the Venerable Teacher, Niguda Bhante, and also dear Venerable Sangha and devotees. Today is the ending day of our silent meditation. So that another one sitting we have to do. After this meditation, you can complete next sitting also. So the our silent practice, effortful practice, we have accumulated most powerful, effortful merits. Those merits we are going to share to the worldly beings. First, we are going to share these merits with ourselves. Ourselves, we determine to have the continued practice, fulfilled practice, attainments. Many of the supporters, human beings, deva beings, all the supporters, we are going to share these merits. All the worldly beings, also we are going to share these merits. Our program, the silent program in this time, is more successful. All the venerables and Sherleys and also nuns, all they practice effortfully. So most of the silent practice, they more practice effortfully. The today practice also, they more effortful practice. The participants altogether 396 participants for our program. Here our now here in the lower part, Middle Mountain, other side Kospata, other Andagala side, and also Dharmayatana, Naviyana, Mitrigal Dharmayatana, Pujalana, and also another Sivanaranya, Sri Vijaya Aranya Palmadulla, India branch also, and also Myanmar venerables also, Dhammika Silarama, that Nanari, so Dhammika Nanari, altogether 396 participants for the meditation practice. Altogether we accumulated the strongest merits. All those merits we are going to share to the worldly beings. First of all, we invite our Niguda Bhante to give us some of the advice and encouragement words for us to continue our this meditation programs. So wish all of you fulfill your practice and attainment for precious Nibbana.
Now, in general, normal advice is that we should be satisfied with what we have normally. Now, if it's a layman, if he has land, if he is satisfied with that, then it is enough. But if he tries to acquire more and more lands, then he will never be satisfied. He will be acquiring and he will never be satisfied. So in worldly things, we must be satisfied. But there is one thing which we should not be satisfied. That is this all kusala karma, wholesome acts. We should do as many as possible. Wholesome karmas. That is, when we are working for Nibbana, we should not be satisfied. So if you get first jhana, you should not be satisfied with that. But you must try to go to Maggapala and all that. So for that, we must not be satisfied with what we have attained. We must try for more and more, and finally, then we'll be successful. Normally, now we can't expect success immediately. Now, say we plant some yam plant, and you don't get the yam immediately, no? The bulb you don't get. It should get some time to grow, and after some time only you get the bulb. Like that, in our work also, when we do meditation, we must, sometimes we may not get, sometimes we may not get what we expect immediately, and we should not expect like that also, because if one tries to get expects fruit immediately, sometimes he might, when he doesn't get it, he get disgusted. So we should know that in this meditation, we don't get this the fruit or the success immediately. We must try again. Then we should not be satisfied with what we already have got. So, and all these kusala kammas also, we should not be satisfied with a little kusala kamma. We must try to gather more and more. So that is my advice. And do not be satisfied with Pratama Jhana, first jhana. You try it more and more, and finally till you go to Maggaphala. Thank you.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa samahito bhikkave bhikkhu yatha bhūtam pajanāti. මුලස්ත වැඩ සිටින අපගේ ගුරුදේව උත්තම මහින්පාණන් වහන්සේ ඇතුළු ගෞරවනීය ලොකු ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේ ඇතුළු සියලු මහා සංඝරත්නයන් අවසරයි. සද්ධාවන්ත පින්වත්නි,
The Venerable Vimalananda Thero, that he had been explaining few Dhamma words to the meditators. Venerable was the leading of this program, so that Venerable sees when Venerable and all the meditators, they are effortful. Venerable also happy to see this when they are effortful practice. So that this practice for the development of the concentration and development of the wisdom, so that our Buddha advice as the development concentration is, and Buddha says concentration is valuable to see the things as it is. That means to arrive the wisdom, the concentration important. To develop concentration we need effortfulness, that we need mindfulness and we need understanding. If these things there, we can develop the concentrations. So we saw the Venerables, they are more happy of when they are asking questions, also understand, they are more happy of their practice, and the Venerable is wishing all of them to continue this practice, fulfill their practice and attain path portions.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Sacittakan anavasesakam telepattam yata parihareyya. Evam sacitta manurakke pattayano disang agata pubbanti. මුලසුන හොබවන අතිගෞරවනීය මේගොඩ මහා ස්වාමීපාදයන් වහන්සේ වරක් ප්‍රමුඛ ගරු සම්භාවනීය මහා සංඝරත්නයේ අපට අවසරයි.
Now the time is up, so we are going to share our merits. So Venerable Sudarssi Thero also had been explaining some Dhamma and also valuability of the continuous practice. So we all had been accumulated valuable merits during these few days. All these merits, we ourselves will determine to continue this practice, effortful practice. Continue this effortful practice until we attain our path portions, we determine. And also we determine to 5 faculties that faith factors may continuously develop and fulfill the faith factor and attain path portions. And we wish to develop the effort factor, and effort factors continuously develop and fulfill and attain path portions. Mindful factors also continuously develop and fulfill and attain path portions. Concentration factors also we wish to continuously develop, fulfill it and attain path portions. Wisdom factors also we wish to develop, fulfill and attain path portions. All these that faculties fulfill and attain path portions we wish by ourselves. Those merits we accumulated, we share with our parents and relatives. So some of the parents already departed and alive, both parents, alive parents and departed ones. Also we share these merits, fulfill their practice and attain their path and portions. So that we share these merits together with our teachers who pass away, and also our venerables, and also most venerable that the Avasharaji and other venerables, Sangha. Also we wish this we share these merits, and these our the devotees who supported for us to do these works, that all the four requisite devotees also wish they fulfill their practice, and also all the worldly beings including Deva beings, Brahma beings, this universal being, unlimited universal being, all of them fulfill their practice and attain all the path, portions and Nibbana. Teruvan Saranai, we share the merits with the Pali chanting. Emanam Pali Sajjhana Karame, Apunyānumodanāva Siddha Karamu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Idam o ñāti nang hotu tukita ontu ñātayo. Idam o ñāti nang hotu tukita ontu ñātayo. Idam o ñāti nang hotu tukita ontu ñātayo. Ettavata ca amme sambatam punya sampadam. Sabbe deva anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Ettavata ca amme sambatam punya sampadam. Sabbe bhuta anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Ettavata ca amme sambatam punya sampadam. Sabbe sattha anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Ākāsattā ca bhummattā devānāgā mahiddhikā. Puññantang anumoditva cirang rakkantu sambuddha sāsanam. Ākāsattā ca bhummattā devānāgā Puññantang anumoditva cirang rakkantu sambuddha desanam. Ākāsattā ca bhummattā devānāgā mahiddhikā. Puññantang anumoditva cirang rakkantu sambuddha sāvakam. Cirang rakkantu mam paranti. Kappasata sāsāni solasāpaya saṅkaye. Sambaram bodhi sambhare agato jati jatiso. Niyato buddha bhavaya baddha kappe dantime. Bodhisattva tametteyo puññam me anumodetu. Asmeng vihare charame adivatta ca devata. Anumoditva imam puññam rakkantu jina sāsanam. Sabbe sattā ca majjattā hitā ca hitā ca me. Anumoditva imam puññam vajjantu amatam padam. Iminādhikārena katena suddha cetasā. Ñānārāma mahātero papotu am. Iminādhikārena katena suddha cetasā. Jinavansa mahātero papotu amatam padam. Iminādhikārena katena suddha cetasā. Bodhirakketa mahātero papotu amatam padam. ඉමිනාදිකාරේන කතේන සුද්ධ චේතසා ආර්ය ධම්ම මහතේරෝ පප්පතු අමතම් පදම් ධම්මේන නේන මත සිද්ධ මුදාජිතේන බුද්ධා දේවත්තු ගත ධම්ම බලේන සද්දිම් තේරා සබෝත ආචින්න යතින්ද නාතෝ දේගායුකෝ භවතු සාදු සමිද්ද චිත්තෝ ධම්මේන නේන මත සිද්ධ මුදාජිතේන බුද්ධා දේවත්තු ගත ධම්ම බලේන සද්දිම් තේරා සබෝ ජනානන්ද යතින්ද නාතෝ දේගායුකෝ භවතු සමිද්ද චිත්තෝ ධම්මේන නේන මත සිද්ධ මුදාචිතේන බුද්ධා දේවත්තු ගත ධම්ම බලේන සද්දිම් තේරා සභාච ගරුගාරව භාවනීයා දේගායුකා භවත සාදු සමිද්ද චිත්තං ඉමිනා පුඤ්ඤ කම්මේන මාමේ බාල සමාගමොං සතං සමාගමෝ දෝයාව නිබ්බාන පත්ත්‍යා ඉමිනා පුඤ්ඤ කම්මේන මාමේ බාල සමාගමොං සතං සමාගමෝ දෝයාව නිබ්බාන පත්ත්‍යා ඉමිනා පුඤ්ඤ කම්මේන මාමේ බාල සමාගමොං සතං සමාගමෝ දෝයාව නිබ්බාන පත්ත්‍යා හිමාය ධම්මානුධම්ම පටිපත්ත්‍යා බුද්ධං හිමාය ධම්මානුධම්ම පටිපත්ත්‍යා ධම්මං පූජේමි හිමාය ධම්මානුධම්ම පටිපත්ත්‍යා සංඝං පූජේමි ආද්ධායමාය පටිපත්ත්‍යා ජාත ජරා මරණම්ම පරිමුංචිසාමි කායේන වාචා චිත්තේන පමාදේන මයා කතං අච්චයං කමමේ වන්තේ බෝරේ පඤ්ඤ තථාගත කායේන වාචා චිත්තේන පමාදේන මයා කතං අච්චයං කමමේ ධම්ම සම්දෙත්තික කාලික කායේන වාචා චිත්තේන පමාදේන මයා කතං අච්චයං කමමේ සංඝ පුඤ්ඤක්කෙත්ත අනුත්තර සාදු සාදු සාදු